An amazing birthday weekend. Oh, this is so nice. It is 9 a.m. What is going on? Dobro utro, friends.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Доброе утро всем.
Very similar good mornings in both Bulgarian and Russian. But guys, we are going to a very special place this weekend because it is my birthday weekend, which I'm very excited for. Mom, where are we going?
We're going to Bansko.
Yes.
First time.
So Bansko is found in the Pirin Mountains. There's a few different mountain ranges in Bulgaria, but Pirin is definitely one of the most famous. I've never been there. You haven't been there. So we're going to take you guys along for the journey.
See you then.
All right, so I think this is our bus right here. We're leaving at 11:25, and when you go inside of the station, that's where you can, purchase tickets. Usually on the day is fine. We did book our tickets online. I'll put a link in the description to this company. It cost about 25 Canadian dollars round trip, so like $17 US. Super budget friendly. Guys, so we just arrived in Bansko. The one thing to know about here is that they actually don't have that many taxis, so we just asked this gentleman to drive us. And yeah, I'm gonna go to our Airbnb. So we just got to where our Airbnb is, but the problem is they all look kind of the same, so trying to find the right building. And we made it, guys. Look at this cute little apartment that I booked for us and actually got a pretty good deal on last minute. It came to like more or less 100 Canadian dollars a night, which is like 70 US. And look, it comes with a fireplace. It has a lovely deck. It's kind of like in this apartment village, about a 10-minute walk from the gondola. Like that's why I chose it. I wanted to be really close to the ski resort, which you can see the mountains right there. My mom's also filming. Here we have the kitchen, and I was originally trying to get like, a 2-bedroom, so we'd each have like a bedroom, but for some reason there wasn't a lot available because once again I said we booked really last minute, so I don't know if we're both going to share the bed here or there's also a sofa bed, so either one works great. And then over here is the washroom. So I think I got a pretty good deal, and it's about a 20-minute walk into the city center. So I think we'll head down there soon. Hello.
Hello.
And so here we are on the main street of Bansko, guys. It's actually even better than I thought it would be. Like, it has such a cozy feel, doesn't it, Mom? Yeah, it's like the, Bulgarian Banff or Whistler in Canada. It's also really nice because they have, you know, the cobblestone streets here, the more like traditional builds of houses, and my lovely friend and consultant Marcella, who spends a lot of time here, actually gave me a whole list of suggestions of really good traditional restaurants and like shops and thermal spas. That's what this place is also super well known for, so for sure we are going to check out all of that in this video. So bad news, guys. The restaurant that Marcella recommended, this Casa Pinova Mehana, is all booked up. I was shocked. Make reservations, I guess, if you want to go there. The other place near here, which seems to have really good reviews, was this place, and it's also like traditional Bulgarian food. So let's give it a try.
По принцип е хубаво да смениш. Добър ден.
Здравейте.
Здравейте.
For two people?
Yes, please.
Oh, this is so nice. Perfect. Благодаря. The menu is certainly already interesting. You can get an entire lamb barbecue, but I don't think it means the whole lamb. It says 250 grams, that much. But then they also have game meat, monastery style. I'm not sure what that actually means.
Домашнее приготовление, homemade juices.
О, вот это прямо тебе, да?
Malina, паровинка, компот.
Компот. Should be great. All right, Mom, well, cheers to a great trip here in Bansko.
Очень красивое место.
Да. And we just got a candlelit to start things off. We got vitaminka, one of my both favorite Bulgarian salads. It's like a mix of cabbage. This one has some lettuce. I haven't seen that before, but some beets, some carrot, and this one has shaved almonds. So this one's actually a pretty different and unique vitaminka salad. All right, guys, we got our mains here. I ended up getting kebabche, which is, well, just kind of like a meat sausage dish, garlic potatoes, and then Mom, you got the trout. Definitely a big
And
plate.
3 pieces of potato.
Yes. Well, we can share potatoes, but yeah, this looks amazing. Lovely restaurant. Well, it looks like I didn't get up early enough, guys. It is before the office opens officially at 8:30 a.m. and there's already lines like all over the place. Luckily, the equipment place that I chose that I would recommend because they were so nice, I think it's called Sikaris. I'll put like, you know, a screenshot of the name of it. They were super good, would highly recommend. But yeah, the lines for the lifts are already crazy. It's definitely best if you can get it the night before. The night before, there was really long lines, so I thought, oh, I'll just get up early and get it. I think it's just a very popular place to go in general. This is absolute insanity, guys. Look at this line. Like, it is 9 a.m. It is 9 a.m. What is going on? To get up the ski lift is this line. And then there's also a queue for minivans that will take you to the first station, or you pay 15 lev and you get a taxi. How is this possible? As you guys can see, I ended up going with the taxi option because this was my only day to go snowboarding with the weather. So another 15 lev, which is like $8 wasn't the end of the world. But keep in mind, every person in that car has to pay that much. So these taxi drivers are definitely making bank, you know, good for them. But yeah, that takes you to the main station where the chairlift usually goes, and it's from here that there are 13 or 14, I believe, different runs that you can go on. So once you are to this main station, there's not that long of lines to get up the chairlifts. It was unfortunately a super blustery day the higher up you went, but I did end up going to the very top to say that I went up to the highest platform in Bansko, and the views were just still spectacular. Even with the weather, you can see that this is a premier ski resort. It is very well maintained, so if you are somebody who is looking for a more budget-friendly ski snowboarding vacation in Europe, I think you should definitely consider Bansko because it is significantly lower than many other places, which is then understandable why it is so busy right now. And we also went on a weekend, so that didn't help. But here I am at Todorka Peak, the highest place you can go to when skiing or snowboarding, at 2,746 meters above sea level. And here is me trying to film while snowboarding. So friends, thought I would give you a halfway through the day sort of check-in. I am having an amazing time, and thankfully it's not as much of a whiteout now as it was right when I started. It was very difficult to see, and I greatly regret not buying goggles like I really should have, because I'll use them on other ski trips. I just kind of forgot. So at least I had my sunglasses, which helped a bit, but definitely get all the gear you need. Make sure it's waterproof, and yeah, also obviously line up way before it even opens, I guess, is the biggest tip of the day, because I thought coming half an hour before they opened would be enough, but no, definitely get your stuff the night before and line up half an hour early or go an hour before to get all of your stuff and then line up. As you guys could see, we ended up getting some pretty blustery winter weather, which made being on the mountain too difficult. So instead, for my actual birthday, we ended up going to Pulse Thermae in the town of Banya, which is about a 10-minute drive outside of Bansko. I would highly recommend checking out their extensive thermal spa, which has both outdoor and indoor pools, a wide range of saunas, steam rooms, and cold plunge. It costs about 60 Bulgarian lev for a 4-hour session, which is about $32 US, and I think it's absolutely worth it for the caliber of the facilities. They also have an in-house restaurant, or you can order drinks right to your daybed, which is nice. But all in all, spa culture is very big in Bulgaria, so if you are coming to Bansko, I would definitely recommend putting this on your list. Well, friends, this concludes an amazing birthday weekend here in Bansko. I had an absolutely spectacular time, even with the slightly challenging weather on the slopes. It was fabulous. It was also amazing bringing my mom here. She really enjoyed it, especially the thermal pool. So if you guys come to Bulgaria, I would definitely recommend checking out Bansko. Of course, it is probably one of the most expensive places to visit in the country, but I think they've, created an amazing little ski village here. So many amenities, very foreigner friendly, so definitely check it out. As always, I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Have you been to Bansko? What was your experience? And as always, I am sending you so much love. I hope you're having a fantastic day and keep being your own kind of beautiful. Bye guys.